What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Old Glory Garage. So on this one, I was able to push out the dump truck that far. I cannot get it to turn, even with the jack under the front. I picked it up with a cherry picker here, nothing. So we're going to try to use the truck, get it turned around and pushed over to the side. So there's room in the garage to actually do a little bit of work here soon. Yeah, so we're going to be taking... probably snagging the engine and trans out of it, do a little cleanup on that, getting the front frame clip cleaned up on it, and painted. Maybe getting a little crazier than that, but main goal is that for now. So, let's do it. So I think first up, I just need to make it a little bit lighter. It's a little heavy. As much weight as I can on this thing. Well, there wasn't really a whole lot to unload. Maybe saved 100 pounds, that's it. But I think now we're going to hook up a tow strap to it and try to pull it up, or back it back and just kind of walk it. So, yeah. Alright, first up, I don't have a tow strap, so we're going to go manual, try to push it. Alright, manual didn't work. We got her here. Now, come on, go. Oh, bitch. One good in time. Alright, now we did it. Pretty sure I got the dump truck stuck sideways in the driveway, so you gotta know when to cut your losses and just go get the damn rollers for the wheels. Oh, dang it. Yeah, the driveway's too messed up. I can't do the jack trick where you just put a jack underneath the diff and kind of push it or pull it. Because everything just gets stuck in my crappy driveway. Great. But don't pull it with that. I got it this far, turned around. Yep. Well, time to get some rollers. Well, my lovely assistant helped me push it. Got it pulled around enough we could crank the wheel and just roll it in. The old GMT 800 sad. It had to work. And the driveway got some nice damage. Luckily, it's not very nice anyway. But we are in. Time for the festivities. Oh yeah, another casualty. Cherry picker lost a wheel. Got stuck in a crack. So, I'm going to be trying to look into some kind of repair for that. Either replacement or an upgrade. But we're in. Here we are. I guess stick around. Just quick movement of this thing. It'd be really nice to get some of the quick jacks for the wheels, but I didn't have 125 piece from Harbor Freight or even just the solid wood furniture dollies that are still like, I don't know, 20 to 50 range. I'm not sure. Just kind of spitballing it, but cool. Stick around. We're gonna get dirty here soon. Got her all moved. It gives us a lot of space to work now. So here we go.